They said this FedEx truck right here has a blown engine. But let me show you what I just found. You see that piece hanging right there? That's the starter. And it's supposed to go up here. It's supposed to go right on that hole. So what I'm thinking is that the starter fell out when they were driving and they heard banging, a lot of banging like this, and they thought the engine blew. But they're going to be really happy when they find out that it's not the engine, it's probably the starter. Anyways, let's get this truck out the road.